morning children, welcome back to English class. In our yesterday's class we have finished 6th unit, right? In today's session just we'll see the workbook part. Everybody open your workbooks, page number 451. 451. So even B reading also we need to discuss. A reading was already completed workbook part. So in today's session just we'll discuss B and C readings. B reading, what it is? Or will the dreamer wake? First, let us see the comprehension from that poem. Okay, you read the paragraph. I'm just reading the answers. 8th one, what it is? Which is shaking inside the tigress. Which is shaking inside the tigress. Here, inside means in her womb. Okay, so what is there, children? Cubs, trees, legs, body, organs. What it was shaking? Cubs, right? The tigress was about to give birth to its babies. So cubs were shaking inside of the tigress. Right? Option A, cubs. 9th one. Who cannot know about tigers in future? So it's very clear one. Our grandchildren, grandchild cannot know about any one of these species. They were almost all in endangered situation. They are going to extinct. Tigers, polar bears, song thrush and whale. Right? Next, who is a dreamer? Who is dreaming? The human being. The human beings are dreaming. Right? Next, how is the tigress? The tigress was plaintive. Plaintive means sad. Okay, growls in pain, right? So you can write the tigress was sad and growling in pain. Growling means making like low sounds with pain. The tigress was sad and growling in pain. 12th one. Why are the cubs the last one? So just now we discussed that one, right? All these animals are going to extinct in the future. That's why these cubs are going to be the last ones. Because of the deforestation and the other activities done by the man, these tigers are going to be extincted. Right? Turn the page. Next one. So you do it by yourself. We'll see C reading, that is Coco Village. We'll discuss one paragraph from this one as well. Okay. Here, what does this refer to in the expression this was 5 years ago? Right. Who is the speaker here? Mr. Sunday Nana. While explaining, he said something. What he said? This was 5 years ago. What is the meaning of that? This was 5 years ago means about what he was talking. He was talking about the lorries unloading the drums. He explained that, right? Okay, so that incident, the lorries unloading the drums, that was happened 5 years ago. Right? Next one. Which of the following words given in the text means shaped into a series of regular folds that look like waves? Okay, here the meaning is corrugated. Corrugated means what? Shaped into a series of regular folds that look like waves. Corrugated means shaped into a series of regular folds that look like waves. Okay, third one. What did the brown paper bag received by the chief contain? So obviously it was money. Exactly, it was not given in the lesson, but we can assume that because while receiving that brown paper bag, there was a smile on the face of the chief. So we can think that one as money. So what does the brown paper bag contains, children? The brown paper bag contains money. Remember this one, children. This was not there in the lesson. Okay, it was money. Next. See, children, previously also I told you for 1 mark answer, just try to complete your answer in 2 sentences. That's enough. Okay. Some of them are badly corroded. Their slimy contents of various colors. What do you think are the slimy contents? Yesterday we discussed the meaning. Slimy means smooth. Okay. So what does the drums contains, children? What was there in those drums? Those drums contains poisonous chemicals. So here slimy contents means poisonous chemicals, right? Here the slimy contents means poisonous chemicals. Next, why were the large empty drums placed outside Mr. Nana's house? Actually, this was also not given directly, children. Okay, it was given in the lesson like there were 3 large metal drums in front of the Nana's house. That was the statement given in the lesson. But here the question is, why were the large drums placed outside of Mr. Nana's house? So here we need to imagine and we need to connect the sentences given in the lesson. That's what, children, you must know the lesson. Until and unless you know the lesson completely, you will not be able to answer comprehensions. So read lessons as many times as you can. Right. So how can you get answer for this question? So we can imagine. One more sentence was also given in the lesson. Okay. Actually, there were so many metal identical drums, okay, away from the village in the distance of 2 kilometers. Okay, there were so many drums 2 kilometers away from the village nearby the stream from where the villagers used to get the drinking water. There, what happened? So many drums were falling down. They have been rolled out. Even some drums were rolled out by the playful children as well. So maybe that was the case. It was done by the playful children. So we can write like this. Okay. So by the playful children, maybe those 3 metal drums have been rolled out and placed outside of the Mr. Nana's house. Okay. Like that you need to answer the questions. So first one is completed. Try to finish all the exercises, children. Next one, editing, page number 463, passage number 7. So here also I would like to remind you, children, from the number 13 onwards only you will find the mistake. Okay. See here the paragraph. They came on a Wednesday, said Sunday. Many big lorries. So there is no mistake in that. From 13th onwards we have to be careful. They took all day unload them. No one told us what was in them. So what is the mistake in that? They took all day unload them. Just now we discussed in choosing. This was given. They took all day unloading them. What we need to write there? Unloading. Right. Next. They gave the chief a brown paper bag. I saw him smiling. The lorries drove away. Something is missing, right? We are not able to get the correct meaning of the sentence. That means we have to add something. What it is? They gave the chief a brown paper bag. I saw him smiling as the lorries drove away. We need to here write one more extra word, that is as. As the lorries drove away. As the lorries drove away. Next. Then 3 months ago, one of the brightest boy in the village, Thomas Agonio, started university in Lagos. Here also something is missing. We need to add what it is. We need to add relative pronoun. We discussed about relative pronouns, right? Here Thomas Agonio, person. For persons, what do we need to write? Who? Who started university in Lagos? I repeat the sentence once. Then 3 months ago, one of the brightest boy in the village, Thomas Agonio, who started university in Lagos. He came home one weekend with a new chemistry book and spent all day looking at the drums and things, writing down and talking to himself and shaking his head. Right. So, what are the changes we need to do here? Here it is about interchanging. Everything is correct, but just we need to interchange the words. What we need to say here? All day looking at the drums and things writing down. What we need to write, children? Okay, looking at the drums and things writing down. Writing things down. Things writing down we don't say, right? We need to write like this. Writing things down. Just interchange the words. This is one more type of the things. Writing things. Next. 17th one. We all thought he had went mad. So this one we also use always, right? He had gone mad. We don't say went. Okay, what do we say? He had gone mad. That is a simple mistake here. He had gone mad. Next one. They didn't tell us that the chemicals would be dumped in open fields and into our rivers, sighed Vijay Sama. We had been thinking the same thoughts. Okay, see here, would be dumped. Okay, would be dumped always. I told you this one when I have explained you about auxiliary verbs. Would, auxiliary verb, right? So here we need to use V3 form. We need to use V3 form. Dumped. Okay. Next. They didn't tell us that our women would have to walk 10 kilometers every day. Would have to walk. What we need to say? Just walk only. Here to after verb. We need to say only in present tense. V1 form. After 2. 2 plus verb form means 2 plus verb form must be in V1 form. Okay, here would be, we will say that, right? Will be, would plus dumped here V3 form. Dump, dumped, dumped. Here walk, walked, walked. V1 present tense. Here it's like future. Next. 14th one, to walk, that's it. Next 15th one. They didn't tell us that we would get ulcer and sores over our bodies. What we need to say? We need to say just only on. Preposition. Okay, on our bodies. Next, her voice trail off. This one we discussed already, right? What we need to say? Trailed off. Phrasal verb. OFF of, children. Here also it is trailed off. Trailed off means what? Becoming gradually slow and then stop. Next. There is so more they didn't tell you, I thought. There is so more. Do we say like that? There is so much. There is so much. They didn't tell you. Like these changes we need to do, children. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. I hope you can do that. Okay. Coming to creative writing. Just open page number 474. See reading. Verbio village, Ukraine. There was a big explosion. Prepare a news report using the following hints. When did it happen? Where did it happen? What were the details? Who was responsible? What was the result? So it's like summary of the lesson, children. That's it. You know about news report writing, right? And one more thing, just if you write that one summary, that's going to be enough for this. Next, choreography script. Okay. So we have discussed, I have given you choreography script of the poem Another Woman. I don't know how many of you have seen that. Okay. So in the same format, you need to write choreography script for this poem as well. Next. This one. In the sea reading Cocoa Village, Nigeria, you must have read that Thomas Egonio, a young scientist, called a meeting of the village to tell about the poisonous chemicals in the corroded drums. Sunday Nana, who was worried about the details, write letters to the government of Italy to vacate their place which is filled with drums. Okay, so here write a letter on behalf of Sunday Nana. This question can be given in paper 1 and paper 2 as well, because as it is a letter writing. Actually, letter writing will be given in paper 2 only, but sometimes even letter writing will be given in paper 1 as well, right? So here you want to write a letter to the Italy government about the poisonous drums, okay, about the drums which contains the poisonous chemicals. Then how can you write the letter? Put your point over there. With this, we have finished workbook part as well, children. In the next class, we will start next unit, that is 7th unit. Okay, thank you.